Beatrice Chebet is a Kenyan long-distance runner who is the current world record holder in both the women's only and mixed 5-kilometer run in addition to the 10,000 meters. On 14 September 2024, Chebet won the 5,000 meters at the 2024 Diamond League final in Brussels, Belgium in a time of 14 minutes, 9 seconds and 82 milliseconds. On 31st December 2024, at the Cursa dels Nassos, Chebet broke Agnes Jebet mixed 5-kilometer world record of 14 seconds and 13 milliseconds, running 13 seconds and 54 milliseconds. In setting this record, Jebet became the first woman to break the 14-minute barrier on any surface. Jebet trains in Londiani, Kericho County. She is nicknamed the Smiling Assassin. At the 2024 Weltklasse Zurich meeting on 5 September, Chebet attempted to break the 5,000 meters world record of 14 minutes, 00 seconds and 21 milliseconds set by Gudaf Tsegay in 2023, perhaps to become the first woman under the 14-minute barrier. However, with pacing only to 2,000 meters and the weather conditions proving to be too poor for a record attempt, Chebet was unable to break the world record for her personal best of 14 minutes, 05 seconds and 92 milliseconds, but still managed to dip below 14 seconds and 10 milliseconds to win the race in a world-leading time and a new meeting record of 14 minutes and 09 seconds and 52 milliseconds. At the 2024 Paris Olympics, Chebet won an Olympic gold medal in the women's 5,000 meters on 5 August, finishing with a time of 14 minutes, 28 seconds and 56 milliseconds, beating defending champion Stephen Hassan, reigning world champion Faith Kipyegon and world record holder Gudaf Tsegay in a highly anticipated race. Chebet stayed in the pack for much of the race, but as Kipyegon made a surge to the front, Chebet followed, out-kicking Kipyegon in the final 100 meters to become the Olympic champion. Chebet also won Olympic gold in the 10,000 meters on 9 August, finishing in a time of 30 minutes, 43 seconds and 25 milliseconds. At the 2024 Prefontaine Classic, Chebet broke Bet Guide's 10,000 meters world record of 29 minutes 01 seconds and 03 milliseconds, running a time of 28 minutes 54 seconds and 40 milliseconds to become the first woman to break the 29-minute barrier. The race was originally built as a world record attempt by Gudaf Tsegay. Chebet attached herself to Gudaf throughout the 25-lap race, but as Gudaf faded from world record pace nearing the end, Chebet surged with 3 laps to go to catch up with the world record wavelights and went on to break the world. At the 2022 World Championships in Eugene, Oregon, Chebet claimed a silver medal in the 5,000 meters with a time of 14 minutes 46 seconds and 75 milliseconds behind Gudaf Tsegay in 14 minutes 46 seconds and 29 milliseconds and ahead of Dawit Siam. On 31st December 2023, at the Cursa dels Nations in Barcelona, Chebet set a new women's only 5-kilometer world record of 14 seconds and 13 milliseconds, which was faster than both the previous women's only world record of 14 minutes and 29 milliseconds and the mixed world record of 14 minutes and 19 milliseconds set in 2021. At the 2019 World Cross Country Championships, the top 3 athletes in the women's under-20 race, Chebet and the Ethiopian duo of Alematu Tariko and Sigi Gebreslama, were all awarded the time of 20 seconds and 50 milliseconds as they finished together. Tariko was initially announced as the winner, with Gebreslama awarded silver. However, after the photo finish footage was reviewed, Chebet received the gold medal. Also 2019, she won the Kenyan Under-20 National Cross Country Championships.